Hey, do you want to switch up your screen orientation on Windows 11? Maybe switch it to portrait mode? No sweat. In this short video, I'll walk you through changing the orientation on Windows 11. So without any delay, let's dive in. First of all, open up Settings on your computer. Next, click on System from the left side menu. Then click on Display. Here you'll find the Display Orientation option. Now click on this tiny box and you'll see all the orientation options pop up like Landscape, Portrait, Landscape Flipped, which will flip your screen in reverse orientation, and then Portrait Flipped, which will do the same thing as Landscape Flipped but in portrait orientation. If you want to change the orientation to Portrait, just pick Portrait from the list and then hit Keep Changes. And you're done. So that's how you change the orientation of your screen in Windows 11. If the video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll hit you back real soon. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.